Hello everyone, today we will introduce you our face-to-face copy remote. This is the CS21 and the CS35 remote. Before we use it, we can test the remote has the data or not. When we press and hold on the remote, if the indicator line is always on, that means the remote already has the data in it. So we test it. Okay, now I will show you how to delay the remote data. We can press and hold on trunk and panic button to delay the data. The indicator line will flash 3 times and turn off, like this. Okay, the data is being deleted. If we want to recover the data, we can press and hold the lock and unlock button both times. Okay, that means the data has been recovered. If we want to use the Bluetooth function, we can press and hold on the lock and the trunk button at the same time to activate the Bluetooth. Okay, the Bluetooth function is being turned on, and we can open the Keys Home app to connect the remote. Okay, it's been connected. We can use this app to back up the data and download the remote data from the cloud. We can save the data. Okay, we have saved it in the cloud, and we can download it from the cloud like this. If we want to turn the Bluetooth off, we can click here or click one button from the remote. Now it has turned off. Now we will show you how to copy the remote. First, we need to delay the remote data. Press and hold on the trunk and panic button for 2 seconds. The indicator line will flash 3 times and turn off. That means the data has been deleted. Now we will copy the remote data. Press and hold the button. Done. Okay, the remote has been cloned in the remote. We can test it by our Chat2 device. Now we will show you how to copy the CS21 remote. First, we need to delay the remote data by pressing and hold on the trunk and panic button like this. The indicator line will flash 3 times and turn off. That means the data has been deleted. Now we will copy the remote data. That's all. Thank you.